Good morning, dear students. Today I shall be explaining chapter 15, Tryst with Destiny. In fact, this chapter is itself a speech made by independent India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was delivered to the Constituent Assembly on the eve of 15 August 1947. India's independence from the British rule on 15 August 1947 marked a turning point in the nation's history. Prime Minister Nehru's speech reminds of the values and ideals India has believed in for centuries. Freedom from the British rule marked the dawn of modern India, and Prime Minister Nehru's speech was key to the beginning of a new chapter in India's history. Nehru refers to the post-independence era as a new adventure where there were new opportunities and responsibilities before him and his nation. The speech makes an appeal to the Indian masses that while there are challenges ahead, they should continue to believe in the message of Mahatma Gandhi and stay on course to a brighter future. Nehru had dreamt of a peaceful India where prosperity abounds and only unity, strength, and courage could help the nation achieve its dream. At the auspicious moment of India's independence, Nehru spoke about the several challenges the country was dealing with and the opportunities that will help it create higher economic growth. At a time when India had just freed itself from British rule, many challenges were standing in its way. The Tryst with Destiny speech is among the most famous speeches by one of the leading Indian politicians. On the one hand, it speaks of India's centuries-old glory, and on the other, a golden future that Mahatma Gandhi and Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru dreamt of. Speaking from the Indian Parliament, Prime Minister Nehru articulated his dream that encompassed every Indian and wished India's happiness. India was to become what Gandhi wanted it to be, the rising star in the eastern sky and the pride of the world. Nehru feels that all Indians should work hard for the development of their dear nation. Doing service to India means doing service to millions of poor people who suffer all over the country. Peace, freedom, and prosperity are the common property of all humanity. Nehru wants the people that disaster in one part of the world can affect everyone else because the world cannot be divided into small isolated pieces. Thank you.